N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Let's learn some color names. Green color, orange color, red color, purple color, blue color, yellow color. N for net. O for onion. P for pen.
The farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife.
Q for queen.
The farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
R for ring.
The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child. Hi-ho
S for star.
the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse. The child takes
T
the
for
nurse.
train.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
U for umbrella.
The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow.
V for
Hi-ho
van.
the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho the dairy-o,
W for
the
watch.
cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat. The dog
X for xylophone.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes
Y
the
for
mouse.
yacht.
The cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse.
C for zebra. N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Please like and subscribe to my channel.